Sanibonani guys, and I hope you are enjoying your day today. Guys, sasayibambile lapho uThando neSithembu guys. And we can see they are having a family meeting. Musa Mseleku telling the wives ukubana they'll be going on a family holiday. Wathi sathi uyayibika indawo uMayeni wavese wathi ngisacela ukuthi ningangibali lapho because I will not be going to the family trip. We can see lana ukubana is just umusa Mayeni uMacele noMangwabe. We can see ukubana uMakhumalo, she's not there. Phela uNtombi uyasebenza uGawu, she's the working one, so I guess she's still at work. uMayeni indaba ze-family trip akazingeni. Right kabi uNtombo ayi-1. Amazi uNtombo, she does her own vacations. Location Oshabeni. None other location that works for uMayeni right now than Oshabeni, Nkosi yami. Ama-suitcase nje kulo nyaka siwabhekisa Oshabeni. Kupholiwe Nkosi yami Oshabeni. As for uMangwabe yena, she has turned into a like non-existence wife. She does not answer, she does not comment, she does not say a thing in these things. She does not. She's there physically. She is there physically nje uMangwabe ukubana yes bendiza kumakisa i-register ukubana nikhona, but nje I am not here. So that's what she's been doing. And funny enough, also in that meeting we could see uMacele naye, she's very quiet, like since they've introduced number 5, like you can see ukubana uMacele, she doesn't necessarily speak makunamanye amakhosikazi, but if she goes out noMthombeni, she'll go there and say a whole lot of things. So at this point it's like I've got nothing to say to you guys that concern all of us. If I've got anything that concerns me and my husband, I'll make time for me, no babake, and then we'll go and talk. But in the meantime, I count me in anything. So nje, there's been those tension and those awkward moments because the other wives believe ukubana uMacele, she's supporting indaba ka number 5. Because she is. uMacele uthe khona ufuna ukuthi bayizwe lento naye ayizwayo. Ufuna ukuthi bayizwe nje lento ayizwayo. Ukuthi how when someone else comes, this is how I feel when you guys came. So kahle nje she's like, yep, izweni nani lento le. She's like, have the taste of your own medicines. Let's see ukubana are you guys going to like it, because I didn't like it when all of you came, but hayi ngabambezela kunjalo. So nani kwamele nibambezele mantombazana. Let me know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.